So, just 3.5 kilometers from the center of Villarreal is the beaches of Monte Gordo. It's absolutely beautiful. We took an Uber here and it cost us €4, 4.5 euros basically. I love seeing all the fishermen's boats. There's a little fisherman shacks. We'll be walking along the boardwalk, which has a nice selection of restaurants. Now, right now it's January, 7th?
Mm-hmm.
January 7th. And it's sunny, it's cool. Too cool for the water. But it's a gorgeous day. What do you think, babe? You enjoying it?
It's a beautiful day.
It is a beautiful day. Seagulls begging for a little snack. They're fat, so they're fed well. A snack bar. You see a lot of the fishermen working on their nets. Now we come up to a nice long boardwalk that has all the restaurants on it.
You want my opinion?
There's always a place for someone to stop and have a drink. Music is going. Looks like some of the restaurants do close down for the winter. There's probably, how many restaurants are here? About 6, 7, maybe?
No, more like 14. Look, every
That
one
many?
here.
Huh.
All the way down.
They have public restrooms along here. In the summertime, this place is filled with umbrellas and chairs that you could rent for the day. Across the beach, across the street from the beach, you have condos, hotels, lots of restaurants, souvenir shops. There is a casino, small casino. Which one's Maxana? So what could you get here? Some ceviche for €12. Fish soup for €6. Something with couscous for 17. They have tapas that range about $12.50 is the average. The restaurants here all have that beautiful beach theme. Nice decor. Always great service. Looking for our little treasured shells along the shoreline. What a gorgeous day. I love seeing like a mountain in the background. So you have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're right, there's about 14 restaurants along here.
Yeah, because we passed 3 of them already.
Right. just love listening to the ocean. It's so relaxing. Be a perfect day to have a lounge chair and a book. Oh, it looks like somebody had a horse along here.